And this one.
Hold on, Sam. I'm filming Baba. What about a little bit of orange?
Oopsie.
That's okay. Put a little bit of. Show me how you're doing it earlier. A little bit of what? Are you gonna do a little bit of purple?
I'm gonna put
Should you use a different color now? I think before is getting sprinkled.
And the table and the counter.
Whoa.
Does it need some blue? Maybe some green.
Did you see this?
And the blue. I need some use the blue.
Sam, let's don't throw our food, okay? Don't throw the food.
I need some blue. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Sam.
Shake, 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 shake.
Samuel. I think Baba's cuckoo.
Can you do these two, Daddy?
Oh, getting a close up at the table here. Got a little overflow going on there, Eli.
Are you hitting the cupcakes? Are you hitting on the cupcakes too? Yeah.
What do you think? Is that good or you need a little more? Oh, I got you. You're going to get the double barrel going. Good idea. Happy Easter. Who's cleaning that up?
All done.
All done. Nice work. Those are beautiful. Happy Easter, Eli.
Bye-bye.
Say, he is risen. Or throw sprinkles.
Oh, honey, let's not throw them over there.
Eli, let's don't throw any.
Don't
Okay,
throw
no.
them, okay.
No.
Yeah.
That's